Today's Thursday, May 2nd. This is the 1965-66 Cadillac Eldorado convertible tilt and telescopic steering wheel restoration for my friend Kevin in Cocoa Beach, Florida. Okay, the unit was cast from solid with the 682 grip lines on the front face perimeter. And then hand worked, cured under time, temperature, and pressure for over 2 months. It included the revitalizing of all the electricals to facilitate the electrical horn actuation from the tri-spoke dual button tabs. Also included the redetailing of the cosmetic horn button and the Cadillac crest. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and turn the steering wheel over. We'll look at the underside. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, this is George in Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage Cadillac items from 1959 through 1976, all the way through 78 for the Cadillac Eldorados. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheel, such as in this example, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical, hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Thursday, May 2nd. Thank you very kindly.